Collagen is a protein that is naturally found in your skin, hair, nails, and bones. It's the most abundant protein in your body and is responsible for giving your skin its elasticity and strength. As you age, your body produces less collagen, and this can lead to wrinkles, fine lines, and sagging skin. By incorporating collagen into your skincare routine, you can help boost collagen production and promote healthier and more youthful-looking face and skin. Now, let's take a look at the top 7 benefits of collagen intake. 1. For skin elasticity. While collagen is the main structural protein in the skin, which is responsible for maintaining its elasticity and firmness, your body's collagen production decreases as you age, leading to wrinkles and sagging skin. Consuming it in the form of supplements or high collagen foods can help boost its production and improve skin elasticity. Collagen supplements have been shown in studies to improve skin moisture and elasticity when taken orally. Furthermore, collagen reduces skin aging and roughness, and existing research has found no negative side effects from taking it orally. 2. Reduced appearance of wrinkles and cellulite. Collagen plays a key role in keeping the skin looking youthful and smooth. Reducing the appearance of cellulite and wrinkles is another advantage of collagen supplements. Collagen helps to give the skin its elasticity and strength, so increasing collagen production can lead to a smoother, more youthful appearance. 3. Improved hair and nails health. Collagen is also important for the health of hair and nails. Collagen supplements may help to improve the strength and appearance of hair and nails, making them less prone to breakage. 4. Improved athletic performance. Some studies have suggested that collagen supplements may improve athletic performance by supporting muscle health and reducing muscle soreness. Increasing the production of collagen may help to increase muscle strength and endurance because collagen is a crucial component of muscle tissue. 5. Enhanced joint health. Collagen is a key component of joint tissue, and it plays a role in the strength and stability of joints. Collagen supplements may help to support joint health and reduce the risk of joint problems such as osteoarthritis. 6. Support for weight loss. Collagen supplements may also help to support weight loss efforts. Collagen supplements have been shown in some studies to decrease appetite and boost metabolism, making it simpler to maintain a healthy weight. 7. Lessened visibility of stretch arcs and scar tissue. Collagen is also involved in the formation of scar tissue and stretch marks. By encouraging the production of healthy collagen, collagen might help to lessen the appearance of these marks. In summary, there are several potential benefits of collagen supplements, such as increased collagen production, reduced cellulite and wrinkle appearance, improved athletic performance, assistance with weight loss, and a reduction in the appearance of scars and stretch marks. While collagen supplements may provide these benefits, it's important to speak with a healthcare provider before starting use and to be aware of the potential for side effects. Collagen supplements may aid in minimizing the appearance of these marks by promoting the production of healthy collagen.